Today I'm going to show you how to make the pattern for this reversible bag. The benefit of this pattern is you can change sizes. You can make small bag like this. This is good for lunchbox, or you can make big one for grocery. It's so easy. Alright, so let's get started. Before you start making pattern, I want you to decide what size of the bag you want. And I need two numbers. The first number is the wide, here to here. Okay, make sure not the around, not around. You don't need number around. I need just here to here, the wide. The second number I need is the height, here to here. This particular bag is 12-inch wide, 7-inch height. And I want bigger bag, maybe 16-inch wide and 10-inch height. Then I do the math. Okay, here's a number I decide. Wide 16 or 40 centimeters, height 10 inches or 26 centimeters. For now, forget about the height. I use these number as is. You have to worry about this number, wide. You have to do math. You have to divide these number by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4 inches. 40 centimeter divided by 4 is 10 centimeter. These number I will use to make the pattern. Okay, remember, if you want a bigger bag, you need bigger piece of paper. I have rectangle scratch paper. This is actually coming from the calendar. Okay, I'm gonna make triangle. Okay, roll edge to roll edge, make triangle. I'm gonna use this triangle. Okay, after you make the triangle, you use these numbers and draw the line. The first of all, this is the folding part facing to you. From the bottom part, you take 4 inches, which is this wide 4 inches. You probably check, and make a mark 4 inches and 4 inches from here, like this. 4 inches, 4 inches. Okay, and now you need a height 10. On the 4 inches marking, you put the ruler and draw the line until the height 10 inch from here to here. 10 inch. Draw the line. Okay? 4 inches wide, 10 inches height. 4 inches wide, 10 inches height. And you cut this paper. Okay? This is after I cut it. I rotate this pattern like this. Okay? And let's look at the bag. This part is this part. This 10-inch height is this height. And this triangle part will be this. So you need 4 of them outside, 4 panels outside, and another 4 inside. Okay? And this much smaller pattern is this. And I have bigger pattern too. Enjoy!